Namaskar, welcome to Habis TV. You are watching National News. I am Shashi Rai. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman emphasized the need to balance borrowing with debt management. She stressed that financial matters should remain free from politics at the launch of the Niti NCAER States Economic Forum portal. She highlighted how data on state finances is often questioned. The portal will help officials understand state finances, improve revenue generation, manage debt, and learn from other states. RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra emphasized deepening financial inclusion and improving customer services. Speaking at RBI's 98th anniversary event, he highlighted the need for innovation, adaptability, and collaboration to drive India's economic progress. The central bank remains prepared to tackle challenges and seize opportunities for growth. After previously questioning open source AI, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has announced that the company will release its first open weight language model since GPT-2 in the coming month. This move comes as rivals like Meta and DeepSeek launched their own OpenAI models. Altman said on X that OpenAI had considered this for a long time, but other priorities delayed it. The upcoming model will have reasoning abilities similar to OpenAI's Zero 3 Mini. The CEO of Deutsche and NBSP Bank India and Emerging Asia, which has a balance sheet of 1.45 lakh crore rupees and 23,000 employees, believes India can grow at 7 to 8% or even higher. He emphasized that India's progress should focus on inclusive growth, increasing per capita income, and structural changes for sustainable prosperity. The next 5 years will be key in shaping India's future, he said in an interview. Ahead of Donald Trump's tariff announcement, Israel has removed all import duties on American-made products. Following orders from Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, Finance Minister Bezalel Smotrich and Economy Minister Nir Barkat confirmed that after approval, the new rule will take effect, eliminating all customs charges on U.S. imports. The U.S. is Israel's closest ally and budget trading partner, with exports to the U.S. reaching $17.3 billion in goods and $16.7 billion in services in 2024. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Habis TV. Namaskar.